Hello, my name is Frank. I'm part of the warehouse lighting product team, and today we're going to do a brief overview of one of our latest products. Today we're here to talk about a new wall pack we have. It's a non-traditional full cutoff wall pack. It's the WLFC. This is a DLC 5.1 premium product. It's IP65 rated. It has a Type 4 distribution, which is a forward throw away from the building that you'd mount it on. There's a 40, an 80, and 120 watt version of this. It has selectable CCT. So inside there's a switch that you can select your 3K, 4K, or 5K option. Back box comes off. It has threaded hubs on all four sides, so if you have surface mounted conduit, you can bring that in from the top sides or the bottom. There's a bubble level on it so that you can get it straight when you're up there on the wall, and then you hang the unit onto the back box after it's installed and terminate your wiring. The photocell is on top, and inside the fixture you can either plug it in if you'd want to use it, or simply unplug it and it disables the photocell so it can be used as a normal fixture. I'm going to put a cord to this fixture and plug it in, and we're going to look at the CCT selection that this fixture has. Alright, so I have this fixture plugged in and I have it set at our 3000 Kelvin setting. You can switch it up to 4000 and to the white light of 5000 Kelvin. These fixtures are very versatile. They can be used in many applications. You can use them on loading docks, courtyards, storage facilities, any outdoor application where you have a facade area that you need to light. And with the Type 4 distribution, you could even light up parking stalls that would be adjacent to your building front. So can't wait for you guys to check it out and give it a try.